Hi, I'm going to show you how to embed whiteboard.chat in OneNote. So you create a board, you can add your content, whatever text content, or you can upload lessons. So I'm going to upload a 4-page PDF, and then you can just click the invite button, copy the link, and paste the link on OneNote on a page. Right? You can resize the page and then distribute it to the class. So you can say distribute page as class notes or homework or quizzes to the rest of the class, right? And then everybody will get this join link automatically, so they'll get their individual boards automatically, each student. So I can watch as the students are working through their lesson from the grid view. So it's all self-contained within OneNote, very easy to use, and fully integrated. Thank you for watching.